Every year, thousands of people flee persecution and seek safety in the United States. But how do you actually qualify for political asylum? And what does the law require? Asylum is a legal protection that allows individuals who fear persecution in their home country to remain in the United States. It is governed by the Immigration and Nationality Act and international treaties, like the 1951 Refugee Convention. To apply, you must be physically present in the U.S. or arriving at a port of entry. File your application within 1 year of arrival and prove that your fear of persecution is based on one of 5 protected grounds. If granted, asylum protects you from deportation, gives you the right to work, and opens a path to permanent residency after 1 year. U.S. asylum law recognizes 5 specific grounds for protection. 1. Race. If you face violence, discrimination, or social exclusion because of your racial identity or ethnic background, you may qualify. This is especially relevant for ethnic minorities and indigenous populations targeted in their home countries. 2. Religion. Individuals persecuted for their religious beliefs or practices, through harassment, imprisonment, or violence, can seek asylum under this ground. Many religious minorities are forced to practice in secret or flee entirely. 3. Nationality. Persecution based on your national origin or citizenship is also protected. This includes arbitrary arrest, violence, or exposure to conflict because you belong to a specific ethnic or national group targeted by the government or other factions. 4. Political opinion. This broad category covers anyone persecuted for their stance on government policies, support of opposition movements, or participation in protests or political activism, especially in countries where free speech is restricted. Persecution under this ground can include imprisonment, torture, or threats of violence. 5. Membership in a particular social group. This is the most debated ground. It protects individuals persecuted because of characteristics like sexual orientation, gender identity, family ties, or social status. While broad, its legal definition continues to evolve in the courts. Qualifying for asylum isn't just about your story, it's about the evidence behind it. Strong asylum cases include personal affidavits, witness statements, country condition reports, medical or police records, and news articles documenting persecution. Expert testimony from human rights organizations can further strengthen your claim. You must show that your fear of persecution is real, well-founded, and directly linked to at least one of the 5 protected grounds. Not everyone qualifies. You may be barred from asylum if you have participated in persecution of others, committed a serious crime, pose a national security risk, or were firmly resettled in another country before arriving in the U.S. Filing late, beyond 1 year of arrival, can also result in denial, unless you qualify for a legal exception. The grounds for asylum are enshrined in both U.S. immigration law and international human rights conventions. But navigating this process without legal help is risky. Asylum applicants do not have a right to government-appointed counsel, which means the burden falls on you to present a compelling, well-documented case. Legal representation significantly increases your chances of success, and one mistake can cost you your case. At Jeelani Law Firm, our experienced asylum attorneys are here to guide you through every step, from preparing your application and gathering evidence to representing you in interviews and immigration court. Don't risk having your case denied. Contact Jeelani Law Firm today.